For making KOT entry, click on to KOT, click on to MF and select table number. Now add the item name and its quantity. The rate will automatically fill up according to the item name and quantity. Enter the number of persons at the table in covers. Enter the steward number. Click on to save KOT. For bill raising, click on to bill, select the table number. The items ordered at the table is displayed. Select the service charge exemption. Click on to save bill. For bill settlement, click on to bill number. The details of the selected bill will show up. Click on to submit option. The settlement is done successfully. For viewing report, click on to report, verify the date, select the type of report, select the category, click on to view option. The bill-wise report is displayed. For making bill resettlement, click on to resettle, select the bill number. The details of the selected bill will show up. Click on to submit option. The resettlement is done successfully. KOT entry, bill raising, bill settlement, resettlement and viewing reports has been done successfully. Thank you.